Hello, I'm Lionel Antonielli. I'm the manager of the T&Eagle project in the United States, and I will tell you about the T&Eagle version we are developing for the American market. The specific storage configuration of spent fuels loaded in canisters led us to slightly adapt the design of the T&Eagle to these specific needs linked to the American market. In addition, we will also use the T&Eagle US license for other countries like Spain and South Korea. Thanks to the work of the whole team here, we will file in December 2020 the first license application for the T&Eagle to the NRC, the United States Nuclear Safety Authority. At the same time, in October 2020, we have started the manufacturing of the first of a kind, which will be a T&Eagle for the American market, and the first assembly operation in the new workshop are scheduled for summer 2021. The current business plan aims for first commissioning by the end of 2023, closely followed by the first transport of spent fuel in the United States.